The question says that sometimes when the teacher mentions a word, he ends it with un. Like, for example, qalamun, kitabun, madrasatun. And sometimes he just mentions, for example, qalab, kitab, madrasa. So which is right? They're both right, and it would depend on whether you stop on a word or continue on the word. Or, in the case of teaching, you will just mention the endings. So if it ends with a un, you'll say kitabun, qalamun, as a way of teaching students what a word ends in. If we were just to speak the word in normal conversation, we just say kitab or qalam. And if we stop on a sentence where the last word is qalam or kitab, we'll also stop and say kitab. For example, indi kitab. That's how I would say it in normal conversation and how I would pronounce it. But when I'm teaching it, I'll say indi kitabun. Okay, so that un is just the ending, and that's always there, the ending, because these words are what's known as mu'rab. They decline. There's declension, and that changes. And that will determine what its role is in the sentence. So I hope that's clear.